Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Glovo account in Italy. So you can go to any web browser and then search for Glovo or sign up Glovo. Always include Italy to be very specific. Now it would take you directly to this and all you need to do is to create the Glovo sign up account Italy. If you can't find one, it's okay. You can just basically click the first one here and just select your country. So for example, I'm going to click this Glovo. It will take me directly to the Glovo homepage. Now, there is no sign up button right here, so you can tap on the login. Click the login first, and you have your option here on how to create an account. You can create an account using your email address, or you can just basically connect it to your Google or Facebook. Once you have connected your account or sign up your account, you can now enter your country right here. So Glovo will ask for your phone number. So all you have to do is to add your phone number right here and then they will send your code. Just enter the code and then just proceed. So for example, I'm going to choose Italy right here. I'm going to tap on proceed. You can look for translate to translate this to English. Once you have selected your country here, like Italy, then you can now proceed with using the application. So basically, that's it. Other also can find Glovo Italy, and all they need to do is to sign up using their name, last name, email address, phone number, and password. So these are the ways on how to create an account or create a Glovo account in Italy. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.